Today I will explain how to understand and differentiate different types of memory in HANA. There is a confusion always, and there is no clear document also which clearly talks about different types of memory. I will explain different types of memory available on HANA database in very simple format. As you can see on my screen in HANA database, there are on the front screen or the overview screen, there are two bars. One is SAP HANA used memory and another is resident memory. There is always a confusion. What is physical memory? What is resident memory? What is database resident? What is total resident? What is used memory? What is peak used memory? What is allocation limit? Right? There is no clear cut understanding of this type of memory and how it is used by SAP HANA database. First, let us try to understand what is resident memory. Resident memory is nothing but the memory which is available physically on the hardware or your virtual machine. So, how to check that? If I go to if I go to the server, I can run or the Linux server, I can run command free-gt. As you can see, my hardware is having 31 GB in total memory, or we called it as RAM. So my hardware is having 31 or 32 GB of RAM. We can also check it with the help of top command. So as you can check it here, our hardware is having 32 GB of RAM or memory. Now, what you can see here is 31.24, approximately 32 GB, meaning the resident memory is nothing but the total amount of memory which is available on the hardware physically, right? One point is clear now. Now coming to what is physical memory. Again, physical memory is the same what I said, which is available on your hardware. In our case, it is 32 GB approximate. Now, coming back to the 20 total resident memory. What is total resident memory? So if you see the sequence, database resident slash total resident slash physical memory. So in this, database resident is nothing but 13.23, total resident is nothing but 27.19, and physical memory is nothing but 31.24 or 32 GB. Now what is total resident? Total resident here it says 27.19. What is total resident? Total resident is nothing but the memory which is consumed by your HANA database plus the memory which is consumed by your operating system to perform OS level task or to keep up and running its services. That is nothing but total resident memory. The memory that is used by the database plus memory used by the hardware or operating system to keep its services up and running. Now, if we come back to database resident, what is database resident memory? It is nothing but the memory used or the memory maximum used by the HANA database. By the HANA database. Now, this is clear. What is resident? What is total resident? What is physical memory? Now, if we come back to used memory bar, we have three options. One is used memory, or one is peak used memory, and one is allocation limit. If we talk about allocation limit, it says 24 GB. This can be controlled with the help of parameter called as allocation limit or global allocation limit. This is nothing but the maximum amount of memory that can be used by your HANA database. Meaning you can use your HANA database up to 24 GB. Though your machine is having 32 GB of memory, HANA database will never go beyond 24 GB. And in case a a user wants to get more memory, system will not allow, system will get hang, and it may get crashed, or it may give the runtime dump also, or out of memory dump also. So it's in your hand how to limit the allocation limit for the HANA database. Now coming back to peak used memory. Peak used memory is nothing but in this case it's 13.8. Peak used memory is nothing but the memory used by HANA database sometime back in time, sometime back in time at the maximum level. So in case here my database has maximum used 13.08 GB of memory. So this is the maximum amount of memory that has been used by your database past in time ever. But these statistics will be reset once you restart the database, and again the counter will start from 0. Now the most important or always to be checked parameter uh, or the memory related parameter is used memory. So it is, in our case it is 12.17. So memory used by your HANA database in this case is 12.17. If this keeps on increasing and reaches up to say 21 GB or 22 GB, that means your system may anytime put a full out of memory dumps. There can be different types of out of memory dumps. One may be composite or maybe full out of memory dump. That is a different topic. I will talk in different video. But used memory is something that you should always check. Now, as I was talking about how you can restrict your HANA database not to go beyond certain limit, it can be restricted with the help of allocation limit. How to check the parameter for that particular thing? You can go to configuration tab and search for allocation underscore limit. So if you see the parameter global underscore allocation underscore limit is set to 24576, which is nothing but 24 GB. If I change the parameter to 30 GB, or let's say 28 GB, and save it, and save it, so the the value will be reflected here. It seems I do not have the authorization. That is the reason it's not allowing me. But if you change that parameter, it will be updated here.